heck? Oh, it's on. I'm about to be doing videos on video.
Chucktown girl, now Rock Hill living. I graduated from college. My channel is what you're feeling. I can do some vlogs and do some challenges. I even motivate you when your money's feeling shit. Now just tune in. I just got started. Promise make you laugh. I promise I keep it coming back to see what's new with my channel and all. It's the Ashley Show, and I'm rocking with y'all. Hey, the Ashley Show. It's the Ashley Show. Hey, the Ashley Show. It's the Ashley Show.
Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. Just kidding. But if you've seen Tiger King, then you know I said that. But just kidding. Welcome back to the Ashley Show. And once again, I am here in my kitchen. I hope you guys liked the last video I uploaded with my friend Charlie, banana bread. It was really good. I still have like just a little bit. It's crazy, but you put that with some ice cream. So today I am making, okay, quiet, wash machine. So today I am making this special sauce. My friend, he's from Liberia, and he always makes this sauce. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try it. But he makes it with like this African seasoning. I forgot what it's called, but I don't have that. And I didn't even think about getting it when I went to the store. But I'm gonna do it the same exact way. I'm just not gonna have that. But so I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm gonna do. And you can put this over rice, you can put this over pasta, you can add your own pizzazz with it, whatever. But hey, we're on quarantine. These are hard times. This is easy, cheap, you know, and like really minimal ingredients type meal. So what I'm going to do, so this is, let me flip the camera around so you can see everything that I'm going to include. So I have cut up some bell peppers, okay? So I just had some green ones, but I decided to buy some red and yellow just to give it more color, more flavor, more pizzazz. I accidentally have some onions already in here, but my friend said you have to cook these for a decent amount of time. So I started at 9:11, and so yeah, I'm gonna cook this for a decent amount of time. So far I only got olive oil in here, but girl, listen, girl, you know, I'm about to get with the seasoning, okay? Here are my onions that I will add soon because they don't need to be cooked that long. Then I'm gonna add some salt. So because of the, I guess, seasoning, the African seasoning that you can use that has its own sauce, but because I don't have that, and I was like, I could use heavy whipping cream, but I'm like, the only meat that I have in here currently is sausage, and I'm like, if I turn this into some kind of like white sauce, I don't think that would go well with sausage. So I was like, I'm gonna do some red sauce. So I decided to, well, not decided. I had this already in my cabinet for whenever I make chili, whenever I make taco. No, just chili. So I already have this, and then I never use this. Like some people even put this in their red rice. I think this is just paste. But I could be wrong, but I never really use this. I always use the cut up ones, but I'm gonna use this if it needs a little more sauce. Here's my Roger Wood. Normally I like Carolina Pride, but they stopped selling that. Here are some tomatoes that I have left over that I was told to put in it. And I got this for a breakfast bowl that I wanted to cook. But you know what? I might add these in there. So these are just like the onions. They cook really, really fast, so you need to put those in at the way end. And last but not least, I'm not putting this over rice. I'm going to put this over pasta. So I already have that back here. I probably need to check on that. So stay tuned. I am going to finish, honestly, yeah, I mean, there's nothing to really finish right now. I'm just going to let my bell peppers cook like, I don't know, like a while. Bell peppers kind of take a while. I'm going to season a little bit. I'll probably put basil, parsley, maybe even some rosemary, pepper, maybe a little dash of salt, just because bell peppers tend to be really fresh. I got so much stuff in there. It just depends on. I can probably put a little bit of cayenne pepper or red pepper flakes, whichever one I want to use, to spice up the sauce a little bit. I got paprika in here. I got a little bit of, so I think all of those stuff I'll include, but I'll just keep you posted if I start to add new ingredients or whatever. But yeah. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, so I'm back from 9:11 to 9:41. Do the math. I had these bell peppers in here, and I had to like turn it down because sometimes I just forget, get carried away, and like me cooking this pasta, sometimes I cook it too long. It's just, when it comes to things on the stove, and then me also trying to watch Netflix, and then me trying to clean things off, whatever, I lose like track of time. So I drained my pasta. I don't think I overcooked it. And then as far as the bell peppers, they were cooking pretty nicely. I tasted one. It's nice and soft. So I added my onions, and I mean, it got to the point where they're really like brown, you know, like real crispy. So I had to turn it down. I had it on medium. I had to turn it down. I also cut up some mushrooms. So I'm gonna let the onions cook a little bit, and everything that I told you that I was gonna season it with, I did. Basil, parsley, cayenne pepper, a little bit of salt, pepper, and I think that's it. I think that's everything. So I'm gonna just let the onions cook in here a little bit, get a little brown. It's already like, you know, like getting the seasoning and the brownness on it from the other things that are in this pan. Then I'm going to, sorry, I'm reading a text message from my friend as I'm cooking. He said add a little more oil to it. So I don't know why. I guess the oil would help it not like, I don't know. Ah! Woo! Y'all didn't see that, but I got quick hands. This thing fell. Y'all probably heard it. But I guess the oil is gonna help it like not maybe burn so quickly. Shit, I don't freaking know. I don't know what the oil is gonna help, because I'm adding like the tomato sauce and everything. So I don't know, but I just added a tad more oil. I'm not gonna add like too much more. Yeah, I'm not gonna add any more oil because, like I said, I have my tomatoes that I'm gonna add in there. So yeah, so stay tuned. All right, everyone, update. So I put my noodles, I drained my noodles, and I put some olive oil in there because, you know, the noodles stick together, so you have to put olive oil in there to break it up. Tastes good, didn't overcook. All right, so now let me show you. Ow, I just hit my head. Let me show you what got going on. I added the cut up tomatoes that you saw earlier. I added the can of diced tomatoes to get a little bit of sauce, and I added my sausage. I'm like nervous to add my mushrooms just because mushrooms do cook really fast. But my sauce is pretty much done. Like everything is pretty much done. I think I'm gonna cook it just a little bit more, of course, to get the like tomatoes to really get in there. Anytime I like add tomatoes in my sauce, I don't really like to taste the tomatoes. Like when it comes to chili or anything, I don't want a chunk of tomato in my bite, you know. So that's why if I have tomatoes, I'm doing the diced tomatoes, and then the other tomatoes, the what is it, Roma or something. I forgot the name of the other tomatoes, but the little tomatoes that are shaped like grapes, I like made sure to cut those up as small as I can. But I'm pretty sure my my sauce is ready. People outside having a good old time, and this is doing Corona. All right, let me do this. And let me add my mushrooms. And that's it. All the ingredients have now been added. Ooh. I got that TikTok stuck in my head. It's like, ooh. Ooh. And it's like, I don't know how, whatever. But this is how it's looking. So I think I'm just gonna cook it for like, I don't know, like 5 more minutes or whatever. I don't really know. But yeah, I might honestly, just because it's still looking a little watery. God, I'm like too forceful with this stirring. I might add some of this. So let's see. I got my electric can opener, and we're going to open this. Ooh, for some reason I thought the camera was like moving. I have to like get this just right or it's not gonna open. Look at this. Electric can opener. Alrighty, so now let me see what this is. Cause I need this thing. Alright, that's more like it. Tomatoes. I'm sorry for those who don't really like tomatoes. But yeah, and when I taste my bell pepper earlier, ooh, I could really taste that spice from the cayenne pepper. The cayenne seasoning and the peppers that I put in here. So yes, I think that red sauce really did it. Look at it now. Look at me now. Hey, look at me now. Hey. Hey, look at that. Yum, 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 yum. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That red sauce did it. I'm going to add just a little bit more and let it simmer a little bit more. And I'm going to taste it. Ooh, I need to be careful. I'm a messy cook. I am such a messy cook. But, yes. This is it. This is it. This is it. I'm so happy I recorded it. This is it. Yes. So you do need the Hunt's sauce, and it comes with basil, garlic, and oregano already on top of like the diced tomatoes and everything. Yes. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, I'm so ready to put this over my pasta. You can put this over rice. You can put this over pasta. Ooh. And I got the bow tie pasta noodles just because I felt like linguine wasn't going to do it. Fettuccine, I don't know. I just felt like they needed to be thick noodles. So I got the bow tie. But you can get the panini noodles with the like hole in it. The one that looks like or you can do the corkscrew one if that's what you want. Ooh, all right, guys. I think all that's next, honestly, is to plate, I think. That's it. That's it. I really think that that's all that's next. So the next time you see me, I will be sitting down and trying it. I really think that's it. And then like just taste your sauce. Like if you're a cook, you're going to taste your food a little bit as it goes just to make sure that it's good enough. I'm the only one eating it, so I'm about to taste a little bit. See if you need to add a little something. Ooh, and it got a kick to it. No, it is good. I don't think I need anything. Hold up. I really don't think it needs anything. No, it's really good. It's really good by itself. Oh, I'm so proud. So easy. Thank you to my friend who showed this to me. All right, guys. Next time you see me, I will be eating. Might drink a little wine. I don't know. Y'all, this right here. All right, I don't feel like setting up my tripod. So I'm just about to hold this with my phone. Ooh, I'm about to dive into this. Ooh, this is gonna be kind of tricky. All right, here we go. First bite. Who is steaming? Woo! Y'all, I am super excited. Oh, and I was so hungry. So happy that I made it to this point of my day. It's good. And if you like spicy, cayenne pepper adds a spice. Oh, it's good. Let me take another bite for y'all. It was hot though. All right, y'all. Be sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. This right here, this is it. This is it. It was easy. It was simple. Not a lot of ingredients. It is a lot of chopping, a lot of dicing. Your bell peppers, you know, the onions, mushrooms, whatever. But, you know, you can put whatever with it. All right, I'm about me and this. I'm about to continue my date. I just also want to say I can't thank, you know, my friend enough for showing me this. I mean, it's so simple. You would think that, like, why haven't I come up with this? But I don't know. Sometimes you get in a rut and you don't know, and you think of these ingredients, but you just don't put them together. So, but it's so good. It's so good. And it was so worth it. Okay, guys. Bye.